Okay, let's go.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Tech Baljit. Today I am going to show you the complete setup for CapCut Pro version 13. So let's get started. First I will guide you through the installation step by step. Go to this website. I will provide this link in my description below. Here click for download. Because it's already in my phone, it shows me download again, but you just simply install just like this. And see guys, our CapCut is installed in our system or phone. So here first open CapCut, accept the license, open the settings, in the top right, and you guys see version is 13. That's good. Hello. And here I am going to create new project. Here guys, in effect you can see here is no network connection. For fix this we are going to use any VPN. I am using Turbo VPN, but you can use any. So after that you have to open CapCut app, and now you can see in top left here is go to login and sign in as I am signing. Now I am open my previous project and go to effects and video effects. Because I am connecting to VPN, guys, see it show me all my effects.
A few moments later,
it show me all my effects. Now I have to download it.
2,000 years later.
You guys see, effect is also coming. All effects is working now. You guys see, easily export it. Guys, that's it for today. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.